Okay, now the world's first ontological researcher. Why are you here looking at this Range Rover? Because basically there's no one in here. I'm not getting the front cover or any ID, so it's like the perfect one to use because all these stupid people nonsense. But I haven't got the ID. I'm just looking at it. This is a Range Rover. I always wanted one. Like honestly, oh no, this Range Rover, but also the one. Basically, I'm looking at the design. I kind of dig it. It's kind of big. Like, can go inside. There's no space. Like, look at the space inside. Got stuff you can do there. I don't even know what that is. No one in there. Yep, but look at it. It's like inside you get the wheels on the right. But I'm left-handed, so I want the wheels on the left. Look at that, Namdi. So basically, I'm trying to show you that the Range Rover is not flawed, but it's kind of doing. It's durable. It's like a car, but it's been so long. It's like it's even a scratch on it because like the weather can't beat it to death. Can't beat it out of its own beauty. So that's kind of the car I'm trying to do, but I'm just kind of an old model. But it's not that it's bad or anything. It's just the Range Rover is too kind of like so basically I'm trying to have like a left-handed driving car because it respects the roads, respects right hand and left hand people. So basically I enter this side and I drive this my forward, but it's close to people, so the road has to decorate that. So basically it's a three-way lane. I'm trying to make it a three-way lane. So I did like a three-way lane for this system, so I get 3 ways to go. So you can get forward, backwards. Let's make it a 4-way lane because I don't trust these people. So I'm thinking of like the middle set of lanes to do it. So you get basically you have junctions. Junctions can be this one. It's a junction here, but you can turn right or left. So you can go this one or this one. So you can come in, go and come in. But you can't take these two junction. So go that way and this way. But you have to turn the right way. So that's one problem. So this is an intersection. I'm just gonna slow this down. By design, it's gonna be like you still have to turn two-way people. So you have to wait for people. I don't like that thing. So the thing about this junction is like the Range Rover can do it, but I'm trying to make it like Wartech, so you can do it without slow, like military military protocol. So I'm choosing the difference as a protocol for like a car that I'm trying to build. But I'm trying to build my own car because I'm left-handed. I don't like right-handed stuff, so I have the money to do it, but I have to go to PhD. So that's the idea. So the car will be left-handed because the Range Rover will be left-handed side. Driving everything left-handed, signal left-handed, not the right-handed. Because I'm tired of this normal thing. So if my car breaks down, I have a way to go back. Based on the access model. So this is one way to go. This is another way to go, but a junction is just right angle turn, which is very bad. So you can normally have a slight curve. They can go into the main junction. Because you have a pit stop is more better than no stop. Because you can refresh. You're all human beings. But I'm not talking about AI cars yet, because I want to see what I can do myself before the AI gets involved. Oh, this is the man with isomers. But that's what I'm saying. So this is my main road. But when I'm going back, so the Range Rover will have to do this. This is just this is the main road. This is the main road here. But this is people's houses. It's like that's kind of a problem with street design. America has like a thing with it, but they want quite slow. But that's what I'm saying to you guys. It's not a bad thing per se to identify there's a motorcycle. It's not a bad thing to do it not properly. But I'm trying to show like this is a motorcycle can but it's about the system being upright at all times. The junction is there for everything. This road is rubbish. I hate this road. But I've been there too much. I know how to do it, but I still hate it. It's not like getting easier for me because I'm left-handed, and I want a left-hand driving car, a left-hand driving everything. But it's because I'm ambidextrous as well, so I want to make sure I'm doing things properly when I learn to drive. I definitely learn to drive normal. Anyway, let me go now. So that's the idea there. Okay, so the minutes go 4 minutes. So this is just the test run. The road's gonna be bumpy as fuck. I don't give a shit, but I can get from A to B and do what I need based on auxiliary stuff. Basically, the worst case of this is the war is something you have to do auxiliary. Basically, that's the best case auxiliary. But the worst case is like not able to do that auxiliary thing every time. For example, if you have a platoon and they are meant to be at some place B from A, they don't get there in time. Basically they need to go there in half the time. They start but that's auxiliary function because there's nothing about the roadblocks per se. It's about the system being dynamic. So you have to think about the problem for war. For example, it's like you don't want this kind of opening this kind of opening here. 'Cause you want something like worry, because you know you're trying to make a beautiful war system. Because you're gonna have like a war there, so you're gonna have like people coming to this car in and out, but they don't have to have any roof, because you know you can shoot them. So you can send fire quickly. That's the idea of the auxiliary thing, because they're meant to be able to respond, rapid response thing. That's the idea of your SWAT. The called rapid response, because you know, they don't really matter what they do, they have a response. So it doesn't matter what it took, or like gun, vice, because you know there's be some kind of equilibrium. You know, whether it's like killing someone, I don't really want to do it. But today I'm trying to apply for no gun license, rights to make arms. So I'm gonna try to make an arm, a gun, but I have to go through the formal process. But you know, I'm thinking about this for cars too, because the everyday is naturally unpredictable for a lot of people. The wake up thing, to go to work and back. But me, I have a lot of problems with this kind of. I never get to work on time, so it's very unpredictable for me. Same thing. It's all about my slowness, you know, and the lack of support in the system. Because you know you can go there on a straight path and get done, but you know you can have something in the way of you that you didn't plan for. That's the thing. So you go there, but you don't go there because of a problem. You go there because of the system is fragmented in a bit. So if the shoes are perfect, what you're doing for that day can intervene with someone else's what you're doing. So you can be imperfect day for you, but perfect day for them. That's kind of logic I'm talking about. So the Range Rover is done. Idea, but the goal is to show that the system, you know, it's like based on war principles, like you know, because you know, it doesn't matter whether it's a train or car. This one's there 1 minute late. It's same problem based on the telemetry. You know, if you're trying to go there, you're not driving a car, but you know you have to calculate your time. But you know, we're human beings. We don't really want to we don't want to get there. We don't want to think about the walking. So that's the idea, Namdi. Okay, Namdi, this is this video. Let me show my face, because you know I'm so handsome. But that's what I'm trying to make. War cars, war tech. Because you know the tech's not for killing people. It's like it's more for sustaining people, or in like this kind of scenario. Because you know you don't want to be late for work ever again. So that's the idea I'm building. I'm not building for anyone else. I'm building for myself. So remember that, Namdi. That's the idea of your PhD. Okay, bye bye.